Good morning all of you. Now today we are going to start exercise 4.2. In this exercise, in first question, you have to convert rational number in standard form. First question number 1, sixth part. You have rational number minus 216 divided by 144. You have to cut it by 2. Start from 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 2 2s are again 2, 2 5s are 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 6s are again 2, 2 2s are 2 7s are 2 1s are 2 8s are 3 9s are 3 6s are 3 3s are 3 2s. Answer will be minus 3 by 2. This is how you convert a number in standard form. This is the standard form of the rational number. In second question, you have to write the number on number line. You have to represent the number on number line. Suppose we have minus 13 by 6. As you can see, it is a improper fraction. So first change it into mixed fraction. Minus 6 2s are 12 and 1. 2 1 by 6. You have to represent it on the number line. 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Draw number line with scale with actual measurement. Okay, take actual measurement. Now you can see minus 2 1 by 6. Minus 2 1 by 6 lies in between minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2 1 by 6 lies between minus 2 and minus 3. Okay. This means, that means minus 2 will be on this side. This number will be on this side. Okay, in denominator we have 6. So you have to divide it into 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number we have in denominator, we have to divide it into that equal parts. You have in denominator 6, so you have to divide it into 6 parts. Okay. Now in numerator we have 1, so we will mark the number here, minus 13 by 6. This is how we represent rational number on number line. The number will come at ones place, and there is 1 in the numerator, so we will mark the number at this place. Clear? Now you have to, in this question you have to tell whether the in between the two rational numbers, which one is greater. Between these two rational number, which number is greater in the following pair. Okay. First write it like this. We can move minus to any place, to numerator or to denominator. There will be no difference in that. Then you have to take the LCM. LCM will be 20. 5 times 5 into 4 will be 20. Minus 4 multiply by 4. 20 में 21 बार, minus 16 or 11. Which one is greater? Obviously we can see the number in minus sign, with minus sign is always smaller. Number with minus sign is always smaller. So we can write which one is greater? 11 by 20. 11 by 20 is greater. नाउ इन फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर रिप्रेजेंट द सेम रेशनल नंबर? इनमें से कौन से ऐसा पेयर है जो सेम रेशनल नंबर है, मतलब आपको इक्विवेलेंट शो करना है। -24/42 and this is, you have to cut it by 3, 3 8s, 3 1s, 3 4s, 2 4s, 2 7s. These are same rational number. That is 4/7 minus 4/7. They are these are same rational numbers. Clear? Now in fifth question you have to change it in ascending order. Ascending means छोटे से बड़ा, we can write it, minus minus will be removed, 1/2 minus 7/6. Take LCM, LCM will be 30, 5 6 3 10s, 0 0 रहेगा, 2 15s, 6 5s, 18 20 0 15 minus 35. Okay, now you have to arrange it in smallest to greatest. Smallest number is this one, write it first, then 0, then 15, then 18, and then -2 by -3. You have to write it as it is, as this in given in the question. You have to write like as it is. Okay. Question 6 is similar to question number 3rd. आपको LCM लेना है और ये बताना है कि इनमें से कौन सा बड़ा है. Question 7 is descending order. Descending order and ascending order are similar questions. Now see question number 8. In question number 8, you have to insert 3 rational numbers between -3/13 and 5/13. आपको इन दोनों के बीच में 3 रेशनल नंबर इंसर्ट कराने हैं. I am doing question number part 2nd. First one is easy, 3/9 and 3/7. You have to insert 3 rational number in between these rational number. Okay. First we take LCM. 7 9s are 63, 9 7s are and 3 7s are. 7 9s and 3 9s are 21 and 27. Okay, so you have to insert 3 rational number between these numbers, 27/63. ओके, तो आपको क्या करना है, 21 से लेके 27 के बीच के नंबर्स, 21 से 27 के बीच के कोई भी 3 रेशनल नंबर आपको इनके बीच में रखने हैं. 3 रेशनल नंबर्स आर 3 रेशनल नंबर्स आर 21 से 27 के बीच के कोई भी 3 रेशनल नंबर आप कोई भी ले सकते हो अपने मन से. 22 23 24. ओके. 9th question is similar to 8th question. In 10th question again you have to compare which rational number is bigger or smaller or equal. Okay, between these two rational number is which number is bigger, smaller or equal. So you have to put sign. Okay, now again you have to first you have to make the denominator same. First you have to make the denominators of both the rational number same. अगर आप देख रहे हो ये 21 है ये 42 है तो आपको एलसीएम लेके इसके डिनोमिनेटर को सेम करना होता है. एलसीएम विल बी 21. 21 2 ज़ा 5 2 ज़ा 42 में 42 1 बार ही जाएगा. -10 -7 बाय 42. आपको पता है माइनस साइन के अंदर बड़ा नंबर छोटा होता है. इन माइनस साइन द नंबर विच इज़ बिगर एक्चुअली इट इज़ स्मॉलर. बड़ा नंबर छोटा होगा, जितना बड़ा होगा ना नंबर माइनस में उतना छोटा होगा. इसका मतलब ये इससे छोटा है. -10 -7 से छोटा है. ठीक है, तो आप कैसे लिखोगे इसको? 42 लेस. क्लियर? Now 11th question again you have to put sign which is smaller. Okay, now do all the questions, all the remaining parts of all the questions in your notebook.